Your girl is about to dye her hair again. It's been a long time coming. I got to kind of hurry up. You'll see. To touch up my roots. So I haven't tried this color before. So I'm gonna try it. It's still the same brand that I used one time before. The L'Oreal Technique Excellence High Color Highlights. And this is the color I got this time. I just really want to brighten this part, my roots. And then I'm gonna go in with this, you know, to put all over my hair, my ends. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough for this process. I'm just really mainly worried about my front. Like, I do care about the back, but that's what we're about to do. And I'm scratching my hair like I'm not about to do it. Got gloves. And I gotta get the stuff to mix it. I'm not gonna take y'all through the whole process because y'all done seen me do this one time before. And plus, I had put my batteries on the charger last night, and I mustn't have it on the charger right because all three of them still red, and this is the only one I got, you know, until they are finished. So once I mix it up, I'll be back so y'all can see what it looks like. And I'll probably go ahead and start on my back, and when I get to the front, I'll chime back in. One more other thing, so with this packet here, it don't have the extra thing, so it's like, it'll be like this clear liquid in the other one I had, and it was like a little package of like the actual color. So this one is not like that, so I don't know what really is the difference, but yes. And I forgot to show y'all, I do have the developer that you add into it. So I'm just gonna put this whole thing in there. So this what color it turned to. And like I said, y'all, I have golden blonde. So I'm not sure what it's gonna look like. But I'm just doing like a touch up. So I'm just touching up like my, with my blanket, I'm just putting stuff right there. And then I'm gonna go back and do the edges, cause you know that turn faster. So I'm not gonna worry about my ends. So after I, you know, rinse it out, I just put this all, you know, over. And we'll see, y'all. Trial and error. I haven't tried this one, so, but it's like it's kind of turning purple. I just got some coconut oil that I'm going to put around my edges, around my ears, and around my neck and stuff around here. Not like actually on my hair, but just like around the hairline. So y'all, once I finish with majority of my hair, I will be back. Okay, y'all, so I have finished, y'all. I ran out. Like, I couldn't go over the back twice like I did the front. And I really didn't go over the front twice like I wanted to, but y'all, I ran out. But I don't know if you can tell, but I'm about to put a cap on and keep it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let me see how long it says. For 30 minutes. And I'll be back once I get ready to wash this out. Okay, y'all, so the 30 minutes is up. I want to kind of leave it in there a little longer, but well, like 20 more minutes, but I got to get my hair done. And I'm supposed to be there at 1 o'clock. But child, I got a little late start on my hair. And I got to put that color in. I got to sit in there for a few minutes. And then I got to, you know, wash it out and go. But let's see what it did done. Okay. It did a little something. I might might just lay my roots like that and just put that color at the ends. Or should I do my roots? Okay, y'all see. What y'all think I should do? I don't know. So, I like that color. Yeah. No, it ain't taking it back though, cause but it did it for it. Okay, babe. Alright, y'all, so I'm pleased. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this at these ends, you know, down here, and we'll be back. Gang, your girl is back home. I would have gotten my cousin to show y'all my hair when I got done, but she went straight to doing her niece's hair. So y'all, I got my hair done. I don't know if y'all can tell my color, well, you really probably can't see it, but you can see it real good in the light. But I just decided to try like a lock petal mohawk. It came out just like how I expected it to. It's really nice. It's full. Yes, I can't wait to, you know, get all dressed up and, you know, rock this look. If you know, you know. But I'm gonna pop a picture up or a video up too to get you a better look. But this is the side and the back. But honey, it look like I got a perm. Like, you know, when I say my edges is laid, honey, clean parts. And like when I go out, I'm gonna like slick my little sideburns down like I do. She ain't leave much for me to do, but it's okay. But yeah, y'all, it turned out super, super, super good. It looked funny because my head shaped like an oval, but I love it. The hair don't look funny, my head look funny, and I think these glasses too. I don't know how they shape. I don't know. I feel like I need, I don't know, something. But yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. But that wraps up for today's video. If you have any questions on anything that I have said or done in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe, the notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Cause what? Cause y'all gonna see me. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.